Pakistan, the land of 1,000 opportunities. Along with its rapidly growing economy and bustling heritage sites, it is home to a number of languages and cultures, as well as being the host to all 4 seasons and possessing a variety of terrains. Blessed with natural and historical riches, Pakistan's breathtaking destinations include magnanimous mountain ranges, rolling lush plateaus, all dotted with an abundance of pine trees and crystal clear waters to the north. Desolate, yet alluring and expansive deserts towards the south. In between both extremes, it hosts countless mausoleums, mosques, gardens and lakes. Pakistan's agricultural sector has boosted the country's economy and continues to achieve high numbers of employment. Acres of fertile land, favorable weather conditions, and abundance of rain and rivers are further enhanced with a strong canal irrigation network. The country's manufacturing sector is thriving, with cotton, textile and apparels being the largest industries. Pakistan is predicted to be the world's fastest growing Muslim economy in 2017. Pakistan is also known for its manufacturing of sports goods, which are used by professional teams and tournaments in various countries, including the FIFA World Cup. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is an initiative taken by both neighboring countries to explore investment and bilateral trade. It will link the Gwadar port to the Chinese province of Xinjiang and will act as a game changer not only for Pakistan but for global trade as well. There is constant development in the infrastructure across the country. There are 4 motorways connecting city to city, with 8 more under construction. The Lahore Transport Company, in collaboration with Turkey, also launched the metro bus service in 2013. As a country that is just 70 years of age, we have overcome many obstacles in our way. we have done wonders internationally in all sectors. The growth of our infrastructure and incentivized investment policy initiatives are leading to